It's the elevator at Jericho Atrium. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's a Dover traditional with impulse. Prime example of a Dover classic. Got a HelpLink phone. 3,500 pound capacity. We'll do one more time. Oh, actually, hold on.
Yeah, we're making minimum wage. I think we're taking 70-pound bales of alfalfa and throwing them at the second level of a barn. It's not gonna get much worse.
Got Siemens there. Oh yeah. Excuse me? Did that door open but just slide up? Oh wow, that's cool. That's cool. So they put like an LED in that. This one has a ladder motor. Yeah, that's neat.
Oh, jeez.
Sorry. There you go, that was both elevators. And Jericho, I imagine that's both elevators. Oh, never mind, I can't enter that bathroom, that's weird. Alright, that's it.